Hey guys, it's Mr. C. Sorry I couldn't be with you there today, but I did want to get you started on what could be the most fun project of the entire quarter, or at least the entire week. Yeah, the entire week. What we're going to be doing is making paper slide videos. So this little video that I'm making you, which is a paper slide video, is called Introduction to Paper Slide Videos. So what exactly is a paper slide video? Well, it's a video made of slides, okay? And those slides are made out of, well, paper, okay? So that's why they're called paper slide videos. Now, to really understand why we're going to be making paper slide videos, I want you to watch this little video clip. It's from a really funny professor at State. His name is Dr. Lodge McCammon. And he talks about how making videos and putting them online, it's kind of like bacon. So check it out.
Oh, hey, hello out there. I know we can do better than that. When I say hello out there, you say, what up? All right, hello out there. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so who here likes bacon? Raise your hand. Don't be shy. When someone asks, would you like bacon with that, the answer is rarely, no thanks. Bacon makes everything better. Facebook, MySpace, YouTube, these things are like bacon. If you like these things, it's very difficult to say no to them, and lots of people really like them. I got my mom to join Facebook. She loves it, but she still calls it the Facebook. I keep telling her that it is just Facebook, and this really gives her away as being a digital immigrant. Anyway, so what can be useful about these online things? I mean, how is Facebook useful? Well, it's certainly a social phenomenon, people on there nonstop and all. That must be it. These sites are entirely social and incredibly engaging. People crave social, and people crave engaging. They are engaging because now we can publish and share our lives, which is great if you want to do that, and more people are wanting to do that. In fact, millions across the world want to do that. The ability to publish and share your ideas and have a global audience is an incredibly engaging activity, even publishing the most simple of things. If a friend of mine asks if I'm going to a party, and I publish a response of yes, and also ask, will there be bacon at this party? LOL. Hundreds, maybe thousands, maybe millions of people might read my response. My response might make other people want to come to this party. My response might make other people not want to come to this party, but who knows? It is engaging and intriguing nonetheless. It's like bacon. Publishing makes everything better. If I have a thought about a book, publishing that comment online is better than just saying it out loud. If I write a poem, publishing that poem online is much better than just putting it in my binder. If I draw a picture, publishing that picture online is much better than just putting it on my wall at home. This creates an additional accountability for the work being done. Teachers and students feel more connected to their work, and they try harder when their product is published to, potentially, a global audience. Case in point, I could have given this speech in front of you all, but instead I published it, and it is much better, easier to share with others, and the me in real life is excited about sharing this message with you because, I mean, look, the real me is kind of jumping up and down with excitement right now. If teachers and students publish early and often, it will create classroom experiences that will engage students as well as prepare them for life and work in the 21st century. So when someone asks, would this be better with bacon? The answer is similarly, when someone asks, would this be better if it were published? everyone says everything is better when published. So, have you published today? Well, we will be participating.
Okay, so now that you understand why publishing is so cool, let's talk about paper slide videos. Well, luckily, Lodge made a really cool video for teachers about making paper slide videos. Okay, so get this. This is a paper slide video about a paper slide video about making paper slide videos. Check it out.
All right. This is a video about how to make a paper slide video. So this is making a paper slide video by Dr. Lodge. All right. It's a very simple but engaging way to have students demonstrate their knowledge. So the first thing I'm going to do is have the students write a script outlining the information that they have collected. This is something that we worked on yesterday in class, so you will find your group script on your desk. It looks something like this. All right. Next, you want to find images that go along with your script. You have completed this as well, and your images are in order underneath your script. Finally, you want to end your video with an essential question, which I will get to at the end. Now, in your groups, you want to have someone read the script and have someone slide the paper. You will also want to practice a few times for obvious reasons. Make sure you have your timing down so that the images correspond with the script. Also, be sure you speak up and are close to the camera while reading the script. Here's what happens if you are far away and read quietly. You can't hear very much of what I'm saying right now. All right, once you are ready to film your video, come to the front of the room and check out a camera. And find a quiet space and a flat surface to film your video, and then return your camera to the teacher when you are finished. That's returning it to me. Good luck and have fun. Are there any questions?
Pretty cool, huh? So why exactly are we going to make paper slide videos? Well, here's the story. It's the end of the year, right? And the end of the year is a great time for review. That's right. Because we teachers, we hate to spend 180 days talking about something only to have you forget it right after we're done. So to make sure that you learn something, we always review. So we're going to review everything we've done this entire year using paper slide videos. So what exactly were the topics that we covered this year? Do you remember? Well, we started the year off, first quarter, by talking about weather and the atmosphere. We talked about storms, we talked about the layers of the atmosphere, all kinds of cool stuff. Got it? First quarter. Then you went on track-out break. When you came back from track-out, we started talking about heredity and genetics. Remember the critters and the DNA? Remember all that? Infectious diseases and genetic diseases and all that good stuff. Then you went on like a 2-month break for Christmas and Thanksgiving. Remember that? When you came back from that break, we began talking about human body systems, such as the skeletal system, the integumentary system, and the reproductive system. Okay? After human body systems, you went on yet another track out, and when you came back, we began talking about kinematics, motion and force, straw rockets, balloon cars, that sort of thing. Hopefully that rings a bell because we just finished that part of our class just a couple days ago. So, what does that tell us about this project we're going to be doing? Well, here is the schedule. Today, you are going to begin planning out your paper slide video. Okay? You're going to think about the topic you're going to use. You're going to think about who you want to work with. That's today. On Tuesday, when you come back from the long holiday, we're going to write our scripts and start making our slides, okay? Like these right here. These are slides. You're going to plan out what you and your team are going to say and what visuals you're going to show off. On Wednesday, when you come to class, remember shortened class periods on Wednesdays, we're going to practice it and practice it and practice it and practice it, and then we're going to practice it some more. Then, when you come to class on Thursday, we're going to film your videos, just like I filmed this video, okay, using little pocket camcorders. You're going to do it all in one take. No editing, no outtakes. You're just going to practice and practice and practice, and if you make some mistakes, no big deal. After we film them, we're going to share them with each other. I'm going to play them for everybody, and then we're going to publish them. So that means you can show them and share them to anybody in the world. The world, okay? So, I just have one question for you. Are you ready? Because we're going to make some bacon. The most important thing you got to remember is that the sheet that your substitute teacher gives you today, the planning sheet, that is due in the box by today. Got to get it turned in, because I'm going to use it to help plan out your groups and your topics. So get it turned in today, okay? I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Have fun.